What if I told you can build this AI chatbot with zero coding experience? No typing complex code, no confusing errors, just you, plain English, and a magical tool called GitHub Copilot. If you think coding is hard, don't worry. Today I am going to show you how to build a chatbot from scratch using Python, OpenAI's API, and GitHub Copilot. If you can type plain English, you can do this. So let's start it. Okay, so I have just opened a Microsoft VS Code. So you can simply install it, and I will add a link in description. And from here, you can just go to the extensions, and you can also go to the extension from the settings, and here you just need to type the GitHub Copilot. Okay, so and GitHub Copilot chat. So that is the two instances you should install in VS Code. So okay, and when you will just enable those extensions, activate those extensions, then you will see the this icon at here, and here you just need to log in with your GitHub account. Okay, adding, I will just try my best to do zero coding in this video, so everything will be done at by just simply giving the English prompts. Okay, and it's using the two models, that is the ChatGPT GPT-4o model, and that is a Claude 3.5 sonnet model. Okay, so it is just using the two models. So I am just saying to create a chatbot. So okay, so that is a prompt. Please create a workspace for chatbot using Python Flask and OpenAI API key. You make sure the API key is in .env file. So I'm just using the model GPT-4o and just press the send button. So let's do the magic at here. So that's the magic from the Copilot. Okay, so it is just saying that the so I'm just, when I will just click on the create workspace, it will ask for the project. So I just select a magic chatbot at here. So read that one. So I will just select a magic chatbot as a parent folder at here. Okay, as you can see, that is just automatically creating all the files. Okay, so when the workspace will be created, it will ask, would you like to open the create workspace at here? So I will just open it at here. Okay, so as you can see, the workspace has been created from the left sidebar, and that is our open API key at here, and that is a config, and that is our requirements, and that simple run.py, and here is the app, and for the templates index.html, and okay, so that's great. Okay, okay, I will just ask him. Okay, we can also use their edit section at here. Okay, and at here I will just select it, open editor, so it will open all the files at here. So I'm just saying we can also use the mic section at here, mic functionality from there. Okay, can you just add some CSS and JS and just make a separate files, because I can see that there is a no separate files JS and CSS at here, and make it just beautiful. And please also tell me how I can run it. Okay, as you can see, it is automatically created a static folder and add a CSS, style.css, chat.js, and is index.html file. It is just updating it here. Okay, so you just need to simply click on accept at here, and these are all the files which has been changed. Chat.js, these are no new files which has been created by the GitHub Copilot. So when I will just press Control Alt S, it will automatically save all the files. You can establish your shortkeys from here in settings, keyboard shortcut. So I have just add Control Alt S for saving all the files. Okay. Okay, so it also give me the option how I can just install. So I simply click on insert into terminal. So first of all, I just need to install pip install requirements.txt. So that is all the terminal has been automatically open in the VS Code. So when I will just press enter, it will install it here. Okay, next step is just I just need to set up my OpenAI key in .env file. So at here I just need to place my OpenAI API key. I have also placed the OpenAI key at here. And okay, so next step is, okay, so it is just saying I just need to run this Python run.py. So when I will just click at here, so it will just processing the script. Then after that, I just need to open this URL. It is saying there is something error at here. As you can see, there is a error at here. So I will just simply copy it and add the code to add here. So let's see what happens. So it also created some extra files. As you can see, chat handler, routes.php, init.py. So I will simply accept it and control alt s. So now run it again. Let's see what happens. Okay, now the server is working as you can see. Okay, so now that is a chatbot as you can see it here. Okay, so I will also open the console from right sidebar. So it is just the one error for the, so that is the fav icon error which is displayed at here. So I simply say hello. Okay, okay, it is saying there is something error at here, so that is not connecting to the API. So I will see what happens. Okay, you can open a migrate to, okay, so that is our old code. So I will simply copy the code and place it here and just press enter. That is a command which we just need to run. So we will just enter it here and let's see what changes it has been done at here. We also accept all the stuff at here. So let's see what happens. Oh, sorry. That is again, okay. So that is a command python run.py again. Okay, so let's see what happens at here. Okay, when I will just refresh it, let's see. Hello. Okay, so as you can see, that is a response from the OpenAI and it has been successfully created. So we will just improve its user interface, something like using font awesome. Let's try it, how we can do this. Okay, so we just use a microphone. Okay, can you also improve its design? Can you make it more user experience and improve its user interface? And one thing more you can add at here, you can use the font awesome. Okay, so for the font awesome you can simply use different icons and make it more interactive. Okay, as you can see, if you simply use the microphone at here and it start working at here, so let's see what happens at here. So it is adding the and font awesome improve the layout. So I'm not touching any code at here. It will automatically generated from the code GitHub Copilot. As you can see, that is in process style.css, index.html. So it is all editing, applying edits. As you can see, 97 and 14s. You can see the details as at here. As you can see, that is the previous code. That is a new code. Okay, I simply press the accept and press Control Alt S. So it has been all saved. So let's check what it has been improved. So that is a simple interface. So it choose the font awesome as you can see. And let's say, hi, great. We can just simply send a message. Glad you think so. How can I assist you today? As you can see, okay. Okay, we can just ask him. Okay, can you change the background color and the box header color to some other color which is more interactive? Some things you can use the gradients with high contrast. And one thing more you can also add, you can add the microphone feature. So when I will just speak out, it will just send the text to the OpenAI, and also add a text to speech and speech to text. So it will also add at here. Okay, so you can use the font awesome for those icons. Okay, I'm just accepting it and also accept at here, and let's refresh it. Okay, so as you can see, it just use the gradient and just change the background colors, and that is a speech to text, and that is a microphone at here. Okay, hello. Okay, we also use try to make it hello. Okay, so microphone is also working as at here. We can use the sound effects.
Hello, how can I assist you today?
Okay, that's great. Okay, we just make the sound, but so in front of matches it instead of at here. Okay. I don't like the colors. You can make it more professional, or even you can use it as a background image. You can take the background image from the Pixabay and Pixabay, not a Pixabay, Pixabay. I think that is a misspell. It just misspell it, Pixabay, Pixabay. So I will just edit it here. Okay. Okay, I don't like your colors, so you can use any professional colors, or even you can use a background image. You can take the background image URL from the Pixabay website And one thing more you can add at here, you have added the sound icon in front of the chat box. You need to display the sound icon in front of each messages. Let's say chatbot messages, then you just need to a sound, and microphone icon you can just add with the send button, right? So that is a simple speeching, and it will just generating the text as you are just instructing some developer to do some stuff, and it just generating the texts. Okay, so I will just press accept and press Control Alt S. Okay, so it has added a background image as you can see at here, and something going wrong at here. As you can see, there is error at here. So we'll also check it here. We will just place the error. We will see if it's work or not. Okay, so we will just copy the error, copy it, and place it here. Okay, accept it and press Ctrl Alt S. And one thing more I just want to, okay, can you also improve the design, just make it more professional look, so it will be interactive for the users, and everything is fine. Okay, I'm just accepting it and press Ctrl S. So let's see what happens at here. Okay, so it just improved the design as you can see. It also adds some sort of animation as you can see at here. Okay, so we try the microphone. Hello, how are you? Okay, great. What are you doing now? So as you can see, so but there is a no text to speech. Oh, so there is a speech to text button at here. On hovering, when you will see, when you will click at here.
Hello, I'm just a computer program, so I don't have feelings, but I'm here to help you. How can I assist you today?
Okay, great. Okay, so as you can see, that is a chatbot. So we will also implement a restart function that is a OpenAI real time. So you can also click on upper right corner to see my video OpenAI real time API. But we also try to implement this functionality at here. So we will instruct it. Okay, I will just copy the page. Okay, I have given you the documentation above for the WebRTC real-time communication. So you just need to make a call icon in front of the send button. So when there is a calling, then you just need to call to the OpenAI real-time model to call to the function as per above documentation. So can you please do it? Okay, let's see if just can integrate the newly functionality, which is the OpenAI real-time functionality in this chatbot or not, because the models are trained on previous coding. So I have already given him instruction how to you can do this. So let's see what it can, either it can generate or not. Okay, I just accepted. So there is a one new request which we just need to install. So I'm just opening it at terminal to pip install requests. So after that, I will run again python run.py. Oh, sorry, I have not saved it. So I'm just going to save it. Okay, as you can see, there is a call option at here. So we will see if it's work or not. Okay, I think there is something error at here. So it just not parse a JSON, right? Chart.js. Okay, we will just open the network, and that is the error. The request was not found on the server. Okay, we will just ask it copy URL. Okay. Okay, I just copy the all the errors and just send it. Let's see what happens if he's able to fix it or not. Okay, so no response. Okay, that is save and make it low. Let's check it again. Hello, how are you? Hello.
Hello there. How's it going?
Oh, great. How are you?
Oh, taking things easy, huh? That can be pretty nice. What are you up to today?
I'm just developing AI assistants and just playing with it. It's really helpful. So that's good. Thank you very much.
That sounds like a lot of fun. I'm glad you're finding it helpful. If you
Okay.
need any tips or ideas,
Okay. Okay. As you can see, that is working perfectly. We just improve its user interface, user experience. So we will say oh, that's awesome. That's working perfectly fine. Just I just want to make so whenever there is a calling functionality, whenever someone call, press on the call button, then you just move all the screen to connecting, and when it will be connected, then you just need to show the seconds, and it will just something like very beautiful, something like this calling feature. And when where there is, I just end up a call, then same chatbot will be show again. Okay, I will just simply accept it and press Control S. So let's see what it will looks like. Okay. Okay, as you can see, that is simply a calling functionality at here. That is awesome. I really like it.
I'm so glad to hear that. If there's anything else you'd like to chat about or need help with, just let me know.
Okay, great. Okay, can you just help my audience to make some sort of this chatbot? I just make a YouTube tutorial for it.
Absolutely. I'd be delighted to assist. To create a chatbot like me, you want to cover various aspects in your tutorial. One, choosing a platform.
Okay,
Start by
great, great. Thank you very much. I'm just going to close my call. Is it okay for you?
Of course. It's been a pleasure chatting with you.
Okay,
If
great. Okay, that is really awesome. As you can see on your fingertips, you just need to call to the GitHub Copilot. So first of all, we just make a workspace and simply edit by using the microphone. And if there is any error, we just copy the error and paste that here and nothing else. There is a huge bunch of code I will also upload on GitHub. You can also utilize yourself, and you can see it's really amazing. So that's you can do. So that's the magic of GitHub Copilot, and that is the magic chatbot ready within couple of minutes. So you can see, you can try, and if you really like this, just leave a comment, and if you have any question, just leave a comment. I will sure reply to you. Thank you very much. Bye.